G'day there guys, it's me Mungathui here and it's time for the Daily Diary. Your favourite time of day and my favourite time of day. So, doing the Daily Diary as I often do, but along a different stretch of road because there's a spot up here I want to show you the cicadas and how loud they get. Like, they get so loud it's almost deafening at this little stretch of road that's up around the corner here, which I'll give you try and give you a bit of a listen. I'll do the best I can anyway. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, here we are. Just coming up along. Actually, is it this corner? No, it's not this one. A bit further up. Yesterday, what a day. Good day at the cellar door. I happened to sell the most wine. I beat Rob. That's always a competition to try and sell more wine than him because he's pretty good at it. But just lots of pretty women come through the cellar door yesterday. It was quite a good time. Just like every single group that come in, so you couldn't believe it. Just beautiful and after beautiful. It's just a spot now. So I'll try, and you might just hear the air come through the window, but see, can you hear that? Gets a bit quieter away from all the trees back there, so I'm going to have to re-watch this and see if you can even hear it at all, and if you can't, it's just going to be a silly looking daily diary, but if you can hear it then you'll see my point. But yes, a good day all around, just talking to beautiful women. That's why I love my job. Get to drink wine, get to talk about wine, and get to talk to good looking people. And then interesting people for the ones that aren't so good looking. But then I went out, had a few drinks with Jeffo and Loro. We ended up going to the Belmore, good grief. And bumped into Skello, the old taxi driver from back in the day. He used to drive me around everywhere. I used to only ever call him. And back in the day, me and Willis used to always call up Skello and drive us around. Shelley introduced me to him because he's Shelley's neighbour when I was a lot younger, which was nice. So he drove us around, and then I called him later to pick us up. But met a girl called Rosie. She asked for my phone number. She said she's going to call me. Thought me to enjoy that, but. She reckons she's going to call me and we're going to go out for a meal. I'm very sceptical, having dealt with a lot of women that drink like every day at work, full of hollow promises. But we should see. Anyway, gotta go. This intersection requires full concentration. So peace, love and a stepper. It's a good show, and I've got the apple.